just wait. And guys, boom, look at this, we have this panel. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message. All scripts are edited successfully. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Upload, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me show you how I got mine. So just copy your profile link, okay? It's super easy. Let's get back to our tool. And then you have paste button and automatically you will get your user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, Roblox user ID, just follow my steps, okay? And now the next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select these scripts, okay? Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorials for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel to support this channel. So this is the perfect method for Delta Executor working method, okay? AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Scanner app, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting and let's see the next step, guys. Verification successful, nice. Thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. So excited to test this. Okay, so let me open my Roblox and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, so let me play this Escape for Tsunami and let's test, does it actually work, this Delta Executor, guys. Let's see. Okay guys, I am now in the game and let's see a little bit. Please wait. We have this message, just wait. And guys, boom, look at this, we have this panel. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message. All scripts are edited successfully. So just click execute and wait for the magic, okay? So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next. Bye.